New camera today. I make a new camera, bought this. Here it's the camera from Sony. Looks like this. Look at this. Action Cam Mini, and you have this to have on your arm like a clock with GPS, 120 frames, steady shot. Yeah, this is something I want for a long time. Fantastic. Waterproof house, air, so cool. Wi-Fi 1080p. Fantastic. This is cool. So you can have this on your arm, so you can start and you can stop. You can have full control when you are filming, and that's the whole point. It's so cool. And Sony, they make good camera. I film with a Sony camera now when I make this video. It's a Sony RX100. It's extremely good camera too. And Sony make good camera. That's 100% sure. So, okay, let us open this. Open this box. Looks like this. Sony. So then you open it. It's a mark here. Take this. There. Then there. Here come one box, one more, and up here is the camera. You can take that too. Do like this. First of all, get out these two boxes there. Here is this clock, and here is accessories. So, and then I have to take out here, I think. This. That's one. Yes, it's open now. And then one more. Sony make good camera, that's 100% true, and this is not so big, it's a very good size. So, there, here it is. Sony. This, so we begin with camera. Here it is. Fantastic. It's little. Look here. Micro SD. Yeah, cool. Okay, so then we can see about this hair to have on my arm like a clock, so I can start, stop, record. This is with GPS. There. There. Looks like this. So then take off there, and then it's the GPS. There. GPS. So here you will see film, everything. So you have control when you have this on your arm. You have control. One thing will be a little bit cool to see now. It's what is in here. It's some accessories. Is it something for? We will see. Ah, yeah. Come on. First of all, it's a big series, 100 of this Sony Action cam, like this. It's so many manuals, it's like crazy. See here? Oh my god. It's like a kilo of manuals. Why they don't use only go to the web? So here is accessories you can buy for have it video example, this different things, but I have already ordered accessories to use on bike, and yeah, we will see. Here is guarantee, European guarantee, and here is many manuals. Digital HD camera, it's on Spain camera. Yeah. We will see later if you find some language there I understand. Okay, I think it's not so many things in this box. It's some pieces here. Here it comes this few pieces like this here, and here's battery. It was not so many, so it's good I order my accessories. Here's battery, 3.7 volt. How much milliampere this is? Yeah, here's battery, Sony 640 milliampere. Okay, here is this accessories here. It's like this. Yeah, so camera can be on there. And first you screw camera on this, and then you can put them in there. And on back here you can put this on different things. And here is for it's USB and micro USB. So good that I order accessories. I order many different things to this. So here it's what's inside this box. This big box. Camera, of course, with waterproof house, and this GPS, this one. This costs nearly the same like the camera. Then battery, and this accessories. You can put this on. It's like tape under here. Micro USB and USB, and some manual. So that's it. Next I have to do now is to make upload and see a little bit and come back with a video about how this will work. This is only unboxing.